Jai Hind students, this is chapter number 2, Rise Nationalism in India, and our topic is Swaraj in plantation sector. As we know that by the non-cooperative movement, uh, in different area, in different sectors, people think about the meaning of Swaraj by their different own ways. So, here the workers of the plantation, uh, under the Inland Immigration Act 1859, plantation workers were not permitted to leave the tea garden without the permission, and in fact, they were rarely give such a permissions. But now they were thinking that after this movement, the Swaraj is coming, and now Gandhi Raj was started, as they can leave the area of plantation without any permission. So mostly the laborers and workers who were working in this plantation sector of tea, they were just decided to leaving that plantations area, and started on they were moved from there, but they were never reached their destinations. It's because that when they were started uh, on the way by the railway station steamer stick, they were catched by the police and uh, brutally brutally beaten up. So it was also a vision of this movement, and the vision of this movement was not different by the Congress program. They were interpreted the term Swaraj in their own ways. Immigrations to it to be time when all suffrage and all troubles were be over. So Gandhiji named and raised a slogan demanding Swatantra Bharat. They were also emotionally related to an all Indian aggressions. But in duration of this time, incidents was happened, that was Chauri Chora. A figure is given here about the Chauri Chora incidents, and in this figure, a Chauri Chora is in Gorakhpur. A peaceful demonstrations in the Bazaar turned into a violation. Clash was happened between police and the villagers of that area. Hearing of the incidents, Mahatma Gandhi had called a halt to non-cooperative movement. It's mean that after this incidents, Mahatma Gandhi decided to call off or to stop this movement due to the violence. Actually, there was a peaceful protest was happening in Chauri Chora region, but few policemen had fired on them, and after it, a big clash happened in which few policemen were killed by the villagers. And after listening this incidents, Mahatma Gandhi had called off this movement due to the violence. Actually, Mahatma Gandhi was totally not in favor of any type of violence by Indians. So Chauri Chora is a district in Gorakhpur where this peaceful demonstrations was happening, but it converted into violence. However, firstly violence was happened through by police, and after it The protesters were attacked on the police station and few policemen were killed in this violence.